Okay, welcome to week 2. Hopefully you did well on week 1 and you'll understand what you're doing. Let me walk you through some of the things that you should do for week 2. So I clicked on content. This is week 2. It tells you have 23 topics, so this is a great indicator as to if you're clicking on everything, if you've read anything. As you click on things, it will take you to the right page. And it'll talk you through what you need to do on every lesson. And so make sure you're doing that. The other way you can check and make sure all your assignments are turned in is if you click up here on quizzes. This will take you, I have not done any, this is mine. So here's week L01, so that's week 1. If you go down here to week 2, you will see that how many times you've submitted it, and it'll also tell you any feedback I've given you. So you have a few assignments to do this week. Make sure you get them done, and then once you submit them, please look here, and that was done by clicking on the quizzes quizzes tab up here. Then if you go to assignments, then you will have here week 2 or lesson 2 life plan 1. If you click on this, what it'll do is it'll come over here and it'll show you the rubric. This is how I score it. And so if you are wondering how I grade your life plans, this is it. I just go right through here, and if you do everything that's on here, you get full credit. If you're missing parts, then you don't get all of the points. And then you upload a file and you hit submit. So it's great that they put the rubric right here so you know exactly what you're supposed to do. The other thing you can do is look at your grades. Always check the discussion board, because as we look at the discussion board, we've got in Provident Living discussion, this is where you need to put your discussion. Not up here in the questions and conversations. This is just, do you have a question for me? Do you have a question for the class that we can answer? So I would recommend that everybody look here and everybody look here. This will help you make sure that all of your assignments are done. I hope that you have a great week. If you have any questions, please email me. I will be going through and grading all your assignments from last week, making sure you did the discussion board. It was great to read your discussions, learn more about you, and so keep working hard and have a fun week.